Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 894 South Lake Road, a premium building lot on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is a one-of-a-kind lakeside building lot. So let's take a tour.
Stake your claim on the east side of Canandaigua Lake with over 100 feet of waterfront and scenic views of Bear Hill. The perfect spot to enjoy the lake lifestyle. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen, amazing one-floor living. The possibilities are endless.
Work with us in building your new dream home and receive a free appliance of your choice up to $1,000. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine building and living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 894 South Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.